Hello, G-Traders, I'm Kate Nidachina and you are watching ИнстаФорекс TV channel where you can learn about the latest financial market news. This week, the UK CPI is one of the key macroeconomic reports. The Consumer Price Index for October will enable to assess the prospect of the British economy. Besides, the economic calendar will contain the inflation report from the United States. The UK Office for National Statistics has posted rather decent scores of the consumer price inflation in line with the expectations. So, seasonally adjusted consumer price index stayed flat in October. In annual terms, the inflation rate is still holding on the negative territory. The CPI fell by 0.1% in October, which is the same fall as in September. The CPI grew by 0.1% on a monthly basis. The data has come up to the market expectations. Moreover, the inflation report revealed the core CPI for October. The core rate of inflation rate 0.3% last month. On a yearly basis, the core CPI climbed by 1.1%, beating expectations of a 1% rise. The input price measure of UK manufacturers' materials and fuel rose 0.2% month-on-month in October. Input price inflation fell 12.1% year-on-year. Analysts had projected a 12% drop. This week, the market is anticipating the other major macroeconomic report. The CPI data from the United States is to be released later today. This report could determine a further dynamic of the pound-dollar pair. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair is still under pressure from sellers. The pair is unable to break through higher than the level of 1.50 to 10. After the terrorist attacks in Paris, investors are displaying a risk-aversion sentiment option for safe haven assets. The US dollar is likely to go on advancing against the other major currencies. Economists note that deflationary pressure on the economies of the United Kingdom and the United States was mainly driven by tumbling energy prices, which have fallen 40% in value this year. It was ИнстаФорекс News and me, Kate Nidachina. Have a nice trading day.